Yeah, she's a real sweetheart. She's got a really sweet personality. You purr as loud as my cat. More birds.